Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I want to talk to you real quick about a new gel I just tried from Shea Moisture. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Max Hold Gel with shea butter and peppermint for naturally, chemically processed, or heat-styled hair. Comes in a 12-ounce tub. I picked this up at Target not too long ago. Use it today for the first time, so this is my first impressions. This is my day one freshly washed hair. Hair is completely dry. And I'll tell you what, for a Shea Moisture gel, this is really good. I always prefer firm max stronghold gels. Is just what my hair likes. If you follow the curl typing, I consider my hair to be 2C3A, but my hair is always super frizzy and super dry. I've tried other products from this line too, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and it's supposed to be good for like hairless damage or chemically processed. And even though I haven't put chemicals in my hair in over 3 years, I still feel like I have residual effects of when I used to dye it too much. So tried the other stuff from this line, which I like too. It does smell like Play-Doh. It's a very light scent. It doesn't linger in the hair, and it's not offensive. Doesn't give me a headache or anything, so that's good. It just smells like Play-Doh. I mean, it's not the worst smell. It brings back memories, really, but the ingredient list isn't too long. There are no silicones in here, which is another thing I like, and there's also no alcohol in here as well. I'll read you quick what it says. Shape hair and strengthen styles with this alcohol-free gel that provides long-lasting hold to naturally and chemically processed hair without crunchiness or flaking. Nutritive, there we go, Jamaican Black Castor Oil and certified organic shea butter blend in a lightweight formula that restores healthy moisture and strengthening hold. Peppermint oil invigorates the scalp for a stimulating experience, and it says that you could apply it on wet or dry hair. I just really like it. I air dried my hair because that's what I do most of the time. Do you see this piece here? This piece always tries to separate from the pack, and it drives me absolutely insane. Even when I air dry, I clip it to try to like teach it to stay. Doesn't want to. But when I air dried my hair, and it did dry with like a stiff, crunchy feeling, and I was like, what's happening? But it scrunched out, no problem. I just scrunched it out once I felt my hair was mostly dry, and now it just feels really soft, really shiny. Got defined curls going on. These guys always like to come together too. I don't know, my hair is nuts. It also needs a trim. But yeah, really defined, glossy, shiny, hold. So I'm excited to see how many days worth of like hold I get out of it. If I get day 2, day 3, day 4. Promising gel. If you want an affordable max hold firm hold gel, Target, Shea Moisture, this is it. I like it. Thank you guys for watching. For more, and if you want to see pictures and a detailed review, check out my blog post. I'll leave it below. And if you do like me and my videos, thank you so much. Thumbs up, subscribing would be amazing, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.